joining me today. My name is Rowena Kissun and I'm from the Whitsunday Health Clinic, and today I'm going to be talking to you about men's health. Many clients come to see me to talk about a number of different issues in regards to men's health. One of the most popular ones would be prostate cancer. Unfortunately, prostate cancer is the most commonly diagnosed cancer after skin cancer in Australia, so it is actually a lot more prevalent than we think. What's good to know is that you can get tested. Pathology blood testing, it's called PSA testing, or prostate specific antigen testing. That's something that can be done through a referral letter from your naturopath or through your doctor. A simple blood test which can help give an indication whether there's anything going on with the prostate. So I recommend that you put that on your list of things to do every year and be vigilant about it, especially because it's such a prevalent cancer. It turns out that this cancer has been linked, again, like other cancers, to the consumption of fatty foods and also to a lack of antioxidants. And antioxidants come from basically colourful food. So any foods we consume that are dense in colour, like beetroot or berries, these types of things are going to be high in antioxidant, and they protect the cells against damage. So another important test to do to make sure that you're protected against any of these issues would be to test your level of antioxidants in your body, which can be done at the Whitsunday Health Clinic through HaemoView live blood testing. Antioxidants can also protect us from things like heart disease and also Alzheimer's and a number of other issues that are a problem in society today. I feel that at least once a year, a checkup from the doctor and also from the naturopath is important for all men to make sure that your levels are good. Within naturopathic medicine, we have a number of different herbal medicines, particularly herbal, but also vitamin and mineral supplements as well, which are fantastic in regards to men's health. Because some of the other issues that men worry about, I suppose, are things like hair loss, libido and performance issues. Men worry about gaining muscle mass, or not gaining enough muscle mass, or gaining too much weight. And also hair loss is another popular one that we hear in clinic. And it turns out that a lot of these factors, besides diet and exercise, can actually have to do with testosterone levels. If men don't have enough testosterone in their system, then things like hair loss, libido issues, fatigue can become a problem. This is something that can also be tested through salivary hormone testing. It's a very simple test. Simply samples of saliva are taken, sent to a lab, and then the results are sent back to the clinic, and we can give you a good indication as to whether you're making enough testosterone or not. We can also tell from this test if you're making too much of the stress hormone called cortisol, because cortisol can also cause a lot of issues in the body. At the Whitsunday Health Clinic, many athletes and their trainers come to see me to better their performance. I think the main reason why they do this is because it's not just about taking an energy supplement or taking a protein powder or taking creatine and things like this. It's a lot more complicated than that. We need to look closely at a biochemical level. We need to have a look at the very cells themselves and make sure that they're functioning properly and they have all the vitamins and minerals required. At the Whitsunday Health Clinic, every treatment program we put together for a man is completely different. Depending on the type of work you do, whether you're doing shift work or you're a corporate worker, part-time, studying at uni, whether you're an athlete, whether you're a gym goer, your program is going to be completely different. And how we do this is by testing the blood and doing other tests if we need to, because every treatment that we put together at the clinic is completely tailored to you. So we will be measuring the exact doses of different herbs or different minerals and vitamins that your body requires to make sure that you're taking exactly what your body needs. Because you are completely different to the next person, and your body is going to require different things. Because you think different, you eat different, your day-to-day situation is different. And that's the great thing about coming into the clinic. So I urge all of you men today who are watching this video, number one, to consider getting your blood tested at least every year for prostate-specific antigen or PSA. And that can be done through a referral letter from us or from your doctor. The second thing I want you to consider is that exercise and diet has a lot to play when it comes to prostate cancer, as well as many other cancers that we need to worry about. A diet, exercise, and antioxidants are also very important when it comes to heart disease, which is a big issue for men in Australia today as well. The third thing I want you to consider is that if there's anything that's bothering you about your health, whether it be your energy levels, whether it be libido, whether it be hair loss, whether it be muscle gain or weight gain, come and talk to us at the clinic because I'm sure we're going to be able to help you. Thanks very much. Hi, this is Mike Buda. He's been coming to see me for a while now. Mike, tell us a bit about yourself and why health interests you.
Okay, well actually I've been a bodybuilder since my early 20s. I'm 50 tomorrow, and just recently realised the fact of health in sport rather than just supplements for building muscle and such, that it all begins on a cellular level, and decided to come and see what you had to say, and I was very impressed with what I learned.
Perfect. And tell us, how have supplements helped you in your career?
Yeah, over the years I've taken creatine and protein powders and vitamin and minerals and so on, and I think they have helped. But if I had have had the knowledge and the resources to have like blood tests and see what was actually needed, and rather than just take them because they're there, I could have got a lot more and been a lot better myself.
Tell me, what would make you recommend one of your personal training clients to our clinic to see a naturopath?
Well, actually I'm doing that currently, and the gentleman that I speak of just entered his first bodybuilding competition and took out the state titles. We're going to the nationals next weekend, and by far he won with ease. But the best part was that his eyes were clear, his skin was good, he was healthy, and that came from seeing you. I think that definitely helped.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, Mike.
My pleasure.